please subscribe.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, each and every one. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Thursday, October the 8th. I have two SPs and possibly one LT. Spec play, two spec play, possibly one long-term play, all right? But before I go into that, let me go into the recap. Thank you for sharing the video. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the videos. I really appreciate you. Let's recap yesterday's play and the overall market. The Dow Jones closed up a whopping 1.91%. At one time it was over 2%, all right? A very strong finish. Look for a continuation today. I told you in this politics, a lot of politics. Pay attention to those Trump tweets. All right. The Dow closed 28,303, up 1.91%. The Nasdaq closed up 1.88% at 11,365. Okay. I think Apple closed over 3%. Tesla closed up. Amazon closed up over 3%. Let's jump into Dave's play. Sun W closed up 45% at 406. Okay. The stock opened up at 459. Went as high as 485. And the low on the day, 373. Volume on the day was 87 million. Compare and contrast that to their average volume of 12 million. Sun W. TLC. After the first half an hour or so, TLC was done. Stick a fork in it. TLC closed up 37% at 594. The stock opened up at 648. Went as high as 710. And as low as 551. All right. The volume was 3.7 million. These stocks, if they're not over 100 million in volume, there won't be any supernova moves. This is the trend I've been noticing. A plethora of traders. Since the advent of no commission, it makes sense, right? In and out, no commission. Because back in the days, the commission used to eat out your profit. All that churning and churning and churning, it eats so you couldn't trade as often. But now we could day trade in and out. So their average volume is 255K. This is TLC. Volume on the day was 3.7 mil. Stay tuned for my plays. Please like the videos. I tweeted out OEG, but it was a little late because that stock was moving at 415 like a rocket to the moon. I tried it. It opened up at 96 cents in the pre. This is Webull. Webull starts 4 a.m. trading. 96 cents. I was waiting for that stock at $1. It popped over $1. I tried to catch it at 108. I missed. I was chasing it, all right? The first red candle, it dove down to 108. It picked up my orders that I had waiting. I was waiting at 108, 105. It picked up my orders and started to move up. I couldn't watch it all morning. I had stuff I got to prepare. So I set a sell limit at 135. I saw it basing at 128, 120, 125. I said, if this thing pop over 128, that was the high of the day at the time, 128. I say it might spike to 130 and 135, and I want to take some profit. So I sold 25% at 135, 25%. By the time I check again, it was up some ridiculous amount. I sold another 30% or so. All right. So That was a 15 minute, 100% move. Follow me on Twitter for the alerts at @Duppyteeth. Stay tuned for the plays. Dave Nat, sit tight. Before I go into the plays, please like the video. I'm trying to get 25 likes today. 25 likes, please and thanks. Today's play, Dave's play is age. I'm not talking about age, I'm talking about AGE. AGE, Dave's play. This one is a SP. Do not hold this one too long. The stock is up 92% at 162. I tweeted this one in the AH yesterday as a potential overnight swing. Anyone who took heed, congratulations, you're in the money. Big time. This strategy is back in play. Buy in the after hours, sell in the pre. Remember, I mentioned yesterday in my video about rave. The trend is back. A lot of continuation happening, all right? Age. Let's kick the tires. Also, pay attention. I told you this stock is over $1. Anytime a stock reaches over $1, it gets a lot of eyeballs. A lot of traders don't trade stocks below $1. As soon as it pops over $1, it comes up on a lot of folks' radar. A lot of scanners, okay? There's no news with respect to AGE, okay? Let me give you some history. August the 4th, the stock popped from from $1 to 162, August 4th. That's why I said pay attention to AGE on my live yesterday, because I know its capability. All right, they were a market cap of 32 million. Market cap 32 million, okay? The float is 32 million. If I were a gambling man, I would be playing 32 in the lotto. All right, insiders, 44% of the float are insiders. Institution has 25% of the float, okay? And shorts has 7% of the float. This is AGE, Dave's play. They have a revenue of 1.89 million, total cash in pocket, 1.03 million, total debt 4.2 million. Current ratio 0.41. I will repeat. Their current ratio is 0.41. One is at par, they're way below par. So this one might go bankrupt, but do not hold this one too long. In and out, grab and go. No more than 2 days in this one. AGE. All right. Watch for the RSI to pull towards 50 or below 50. You can start a position. Do not chase. Days bonus play number 1. This one is also in and out. This might be a medium term to long term. I really like the numbers, and it's determining. OEG, I got 100% gainer on this one. OEG, 4:15 a.m. Sign up with Webull. You'll have the capability of trading 4 a.m. When others are snoring, you're making money. All right. OEG close is up 65% in the pre at 138. After closing up 36% yesterday. Big continuation. OEG. I told you this is the new trend again. A lot of stocks are continuing 2-3 days run. All right. It's a great time to be in the market. There's no news. No news. Okay. They were a market cap of 19 million. The float is 27 million. 11% of the float are insiders. 37% of the float, institution, and shorts has a measly, a minuscule, a minute 0.28% of the float, okay? Their revenue is positive 25.23 million, okay? Their quarterly revenue growth is 24.20 million. I'm sorry, percent. Let me repeat that. Quarterly revenue growth is a positive 24.20%. I'm speaking a lot of millions today. I'm seeing millions. Their gross profit, 6 million. This is OEG DAVESPLAY Dave's bonus play number 1. All right, I got 2 bonus plays. All right, total cash 4.37 million. Total debt 16.83 million. That brings them to a current ratio at par. Current ratio is 1.03. Okay, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're looking for daily supernova potential. Supernova potential. These plays are supernova potential. All right, 100% or more. That's what I call supernova. ATEC, ATEC came out with their earnings and they beat earnings. One of the biggest catalysts that moves a stock, propels a stock to the moon is earnings. Earnings winner. This one is an earnings winner. You want to hold this one midterm to long term. Wait for a pullback. I don't know if it's going to go below 8. Just try to find an entry, a good entry. Wait for a pullback, start a position. Okay. ATEC is up 28% at 883. Go ahead and read their earnings news, okay? They were a market cap of 422 million. 422 million market cap. The float is 48 million. 48 million on the float. 31% of that float are insiders. Institution has 48% of the float and shorts has 6%. Okay, their revenue is 121 million, a positive 121 million for their revenue. Their gross profit is 78 million. Total cash in the bank 31 million. Total debt 68 million. That brings them to a current ratio of 2.24. My older subscribers know that I like anything over 2 for the current ratio. This one won't be going bankrupt anytime soon. All right, ATEC, Dave's bonus play number 2. I'll see you in the PM with my live or maybe a second video. I don't know. All right, follow me on Twitter for alerts at @Duppyteeth. And there you have it. Trade well. Take care of your downside. Let your upside take care of itself. All right. Your first loss is your best loss. Do not hold an hope. Get out of there. You could always re-enter. Okay. Dev Natch, I'm out for now. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. If you'd like to take advantage of early prices, great prices in the 4 a.m. time period, check out my Webull link below. You'll get 3 free stocks. Thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
Out the road, the grass green. Ice cream. Dave Natch, clean. You and your team. They get rich. Everybody dream. See what I mean to the world. Got a lot of money. Got a lot of money. Invest it in a DAVESPLAY. Every day. You want your money hatch. Subscribe to Dave Natch. Foot 4 gas rich.